Hello and welcome to this video on the Mi 10i. The Mi 10i is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 750G chipset, an octa-core processor. The RAM available on the phone is 6GB or 8GB, and depending on the variant you buy, you could get 64GB or 128GB of storage. All variants come with a microSD card slot on board, so in case you want to expand it, you have that option as well. Other features of the Mi 10i that are actually very interesting include its display, the camera stack, and even the design, so let's go over that. The display is a 120Hz IPS LCD panel, which actually also supports HDR10+ and also has a touch polling rate of 240Hz, covering both the best of entertainment and gaming. The camera stack is impressive as well, offering the primary camera with a resolution of 108 megapixels, whereas the ultra-wide camera offers an 8 megapixel resolution. There is also a 2 megapixel macro camera and a depth sensor on board to help with portrait shots. The front-facing camera on the Mi 10i is a 16 megapixel shooter and should make for some lovely selfies. The other thing that's great about the Mi 10i is its design, which features this new Pacific Sunrise color finish. To the touch, it's a soft back, but the phone also offers IP53, lending to its durability. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. On top, you have the IR blaster, and at the bottom, a Type-C port alongside a headphone jack. Other things on the Mi 10i that are actually very impressive is its battery, which is a 4820 mAh unit, along with supporting 33-watt fast charging right out of the box. So this has been a quick look at some of the interesting features of the Mi 10i. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and as for me, I'm gonna see you in the next one.